A way to make money online that doesn't require English as a first language, doesn't require you to make videos, doesn't require you to sell anything, no requirement even to make emails. You don't need a list. If so, I've got something really interesting to show you in my review of Scrapbook Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would I be known in that way? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go, and I am one of the very few people in the world who can pull one off successfully. Well, of course, except for my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as, well, the bagels that are sitting on a New York City cop's desk, because let's face it, they want the donuts. Anyway, seriously. If you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's very simple, actually. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Really, Bart? Every single day you gotta say the same thing? Do you realize how annoying that guy is? I have been doing these videos for a long time. He always interrupts me. He always complains. Bart, get a life. Seriously. So, if you... the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz says the same thing all the time in video, so you'd think I would get annoyed with her, but I can't. She's a sweetheart. I love Liz. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. For the Scrapbook Empire.
The tree, the rock, everywhere.
No, not the Empire. Go use the Force or something. Anyway, the Scrapbook Empire. This is from my friend Alessandro Zamboni. Alessandro's a really cool guy. He lives in Italy, and he basically has been trying to find ways of making money online that doesn't involve the usual make money online stuff. Because let's face it, they tend to be kind of saturated. And this is really cool. Basically, what he's come up with is a way of creating scrapbooks, which are really popular with artsy types of people, and they're really easy to make. He's going to show you exactly how to do it. I'll show you the members area in just a minute. And you can make thousands upon thousands of dollars selling these kinds of things. So there's niches that aren't really touched yet. And on top of all that, by the way, I'm actually going to give you bonuses that are going to make Scrapbook Empire so much easier. First of all, I'm going to give you a massive library of graphics assets that you can actually use with these scrapbooks that you're going to help people create. So that's going to give you a job, because basically what you're going to have to do is find graphics. I'm going to give that to you right from the start. I'm also going to be giving you my personal Rolodex of graphics assets. I have created a Rolodex of places to find graphics, places to find photos, places to find videos. I'm going to give that to you as part of my custom bonus when you pick up the Scrapbooks Empire from me. So that's really going to help you out a lot, because it's going to give you a massive leg up that nobody else is going to have who has picked this up or who will pick this up. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area, see what it's all about. Okay, so basically what he's going to show you is what the scrapbooks are, how they all work. He's going to show you how to pick the best niches. This is really, really important stuff, by the way. Picking the right niche, because if you don't pick the correct niche in order to make your new business work, you may as well not bother. Because frankly, if you pick the wrong niche, nobody's going to buy your scrapbooks. So you got to pick the right ones. Now, he's going to show you how to put together the scrapbooks, how to find the content to put into the scrapbooks. Again, I'm going to give you a leg up on that. He's going to show you how to create an account on Etsy. Etsy is kind of like eBay for creative types. Basically, it's a website where you can get a lot of handmade stuff, and it's hugely popular. I've bought stuff on Etsy. I love Etsy. It's a great website. Okay, and he's going to show you how to promote your listings, the whole 9 yards. Everything's going to be included for you with this package. It is $17, so it's a pretty decent deal because basically you can make it back your money on the very first scrapbook that you actually go ahead and sell with this particular method. So let's go and see if I'm going to give it to Match the Product Creator or not.
The giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed. Alessandro, as always, I love your stuff. Great ideas. This really can help out a lot of people who want to make money but are not sure how to do it, don't have the skills to be able to write emails or write things in English that because you may not speak English as a first language. This is fine. The nice thing here is you don't need to speak English as first language. If you can have a basic understanding of English, that's really all you need in order to build this up and make a scrapbook empire and start making some real money from it. So go ahead and grab this. You absolutely are going to love it.